So I decided to get another path. People went with under cliff path. I decided to go to upper cliff path. We have to see who's gonna be first. We started at the same time. I'm alone, and well, we'll find out soon who is better at hiking and reading maps. Hopefully I will win, and that's what I'm looking for. I don't know what time is it. Let me check my time. Okay, it's what time is it? It's 3:20 p.m. Well, I can say that I left like maybe 5-10 minutes ago. So yeah, we should see who's gonna be the first. Guys, I don't know if that was a good idea to, you know, get another path. I feel like I'm lost. Well, actually I know where I'm going because I have the map, but at the same time I don't know where I'm going because it's my first time here. Guys, I'm officially cheating. I'm supposed to go around, but I didn't want to lose any minute, and I still want to win the competition to get first. So we're gonna cross real quick the road until nobody sees us. Now we go jump over. Hopefully there will be a path. I can hear some car in there. So here we go. Officially cheating. So guys, I got to the car and look, they just start appearing, coming with an ego. And no, not the last one. We still have people coming. Okay. Give me a high five, loser. Okay, he agreed. And the last one, the queen. Hurry up, darling. We've been waiting for you.